Hi, Candace. First of all, thank you so much for your comments on my paper. It was really, really helpful, and I appreciate all of your insight. And yes, of course, you can share whatever you'd like with whomever you'd like. Um, that's enough about me. I really liked reading your outline and kind of learning about what you want to write about. So I feel like I'm a broken record saying this, but because I'm really new to the VC program, a lot of the growth mindset research is a stranger to me. And so I don't have very many comments throughout your paper in terms of like actual um, content advice or anything like that, but I did kind of have some points throughout. It's mostly just encouragements. I really don't have any critiques for your paper. I'm really excited to see what it ends up looking like. I think the subject is really interesting, especially as it relates to special ed and within your own career, which is great. And I'm hoping that throughout the paper you'll have some kinds of concrete examples or be able to relate it to the work that you do directly, which is fascinating. Um, yeah, so that's what I said there, but with a smiley face. And you can't see me smiling now, but I am. Um, yes, so how you're gonna relate SOCA and special education together, I'm really interested to see that too. In terms of the outline, I thought that it was really well organized. I really like the roadmap that you provide here, kind of starting as uh, a funnel, if you will, getting more and more precise throughout the paper with the primary research and the secondary research. Um, you did a really nice job of giving a brief overview of what you're going to talk about in each of the articles that you're bringing into your paper. Um, so that yes, that's in the human revolution, and then in terms of the growth mindset, this is what I felt like I knew less about, and so I feel like there's probably a lot of excuse me if this is not at all correct, but I assume there's a lot of psychological work and schools of thought that are about the idea of growth mindset. So I'd be really interested to see that as it relates to the SOCA education. And then in terms of your secondary literature, um, same thing. Um, I'm really interested to see how it all ties in, how it compares to SOCA, and kind of what the different like the mindset of a teacher going into the mindset of a student. And there are a lot of ways that I can already see that going into SOCA with the very little knowledge that I have. Um, I think it's really helpful to have these comparisons and explain how one is one and one is the other. And I like that you're doing that after you've explained both kind of thoroughly. It's a really nice, like, okay, here's A, here's B, and here's how A and B relate. Yeah, so I think that it's going to be a really great paper, and I've said this to all of the peer reviews I've done so far, but I really hope that the final papers are shared because I'm so excited to read what your thoughts are. I've enjoyed your thoughts throughout the course and the videos, and you have a really wonderful energy and knowledge, and I think you're going to have a great time doing this, and I think your readers are going to have a great time reading it. So good luck as you kind of flesh it out. And again, look forward to reading it. And I hope you have a great day. Bye.